Assalamu alaikum. I wish you all the best of health and hope you are all studying diligently. We have covered the previous lesson. Number one, early problems of Pakistan. What was the problems faced by Pakistan when Pakistan came into being? Number two, formation of first Constituent Assembly. How many members were there in the beginning? What were the real number which was in the last? Then we have covered role of Quaid-e-Azam as first Governor General of Pakistan, which type of steps Qaid-e-Azam had taken for the importance of the future. And then we have covered Objective Resolution 1949, which has a very much important, prime importance for the future constitution of Pakistan. Let's start the new topic, which is role of Liaquat Ali Khan as first Prime Minister of Pakistan. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to define who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, who took the oath from Liaquat Ali Khan as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, what was the background of Liaquat Ali Khan, what were the services of Liaquat Ali Khan as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, what step he had taken for the development of economy or the development of the nation after the death of the Quaid-e-Azam, and in the last we will discuss the role of Qaid-e-Millat Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. He was a trusted companion of Quaid-e-Azam. He acted as the right hand of the Quaid-e-Azam in solving the early problem of Pakistan. He was born in Karnal, a town in the east Punjab, in 1896. So, student, please highlight and underline all the important facts and figures which are very much important for your exams. He got his degree in law. He joined All India Muslim League in 1923. Again, a very important MCQ. He became the General Secretary of Muslim League in 1936. Again, he became the first Prime Minister of Pakistan on August 15, 1947. He performed eternal services of Pakistan, but he was assassinated on October 16, 1951. Now, students, we are going to do a quick recap of his services as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. These are the services which were rendered by the Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the trusted companion and friend of Quaid-e-Azam. He was selected as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, again MCQ. He donated his life for the services of Pakistan. He was honest and hardworking. Pakistan was facing many crucial problems just after its creation. Liaquat Ali Khan, along with the Quaid-e-Azam, worked day and night toward the whole country, toward the borders. He went to other countries. He did his best to bring Pakistan out of its problem. After Quaid-e-Azam, he was the only leader who was equally acceptable for the entire population of the country. That is the reason the people gave him the title of Qaid-e-Millat Liaquat Ali Khan. As a role as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the role of Liaquat Ali Khan as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan is worth mentioning. His name will be written in the history of Pakistan in golden words. He established relations with other Islamic countries. He also visited America to get support for Pakistan. He made the status and image of the country strong in the United Nations, which is very important. He toured the whole country at the time of threatened borders. He framed a strong administrative system in the country, which was the need at the time. He also made strong policies for the growth of economy, a very strong step which is taken by Liaquat Ali Khan. Then we will move toward the solution of the early problems of Pakistan. Pakistan was facing many crucial problems just after the creation. He did his very best to bring Pakistan out of its problem. Liaquat Ali Khan worked day and night toward the whole country, toward the borders. He managed the refugees, developed economic system, worked for the growth of the industry. He made a strong foreign policy. Foreign policy, again, a very important step taken by the Liaquat Ali Khan. He made it clear to India and the other world with Pakistan was created to exist. Then we will move toward the security of refugees, which was the bold steps taken by Liaquat Ali Khan at that time. It was a flood of refugees coming to Pakistan from India. And students, it is worth mentioning over here that there are big migration which is happened uh, at the time of the creation of Pakistan. The Hindus and the Sikhs were killing these migrating refugees. He took immediate measures for the safety of the refugees. He toured the borders and stopped the bloodshed of the migrating refugees. He made a pact, very important pact. And as far as the short question is concerned, this question is very important. Define Liaquat Nehru Pact, which was made in 1950. He provided them shelter and food. And then we will move toward the strong administrative policy. Liaquat Ali Khan made a strong administrative policy in order to run the country. Then he made the economic system strong. Yes, students, when we will talk about the, as we discussed it earlier, solution of early problems of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan took bold steps in order to that solve the problems. Liaquat Ali Khan worked day and night toward the whole country with Qaid-e-Azam. Then he took bold steps in order to secure the refugees. Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed at that matter. When we will move toward the rehabilitation of refugees, a huge number of refugees came to Pakistan. The world had never seen such a great number of refugees anywhere. It was not an easy task to accommodate them. Liaquat Ali Khan was declared as the chairman Punjab Muhajir Council on the direction of Qaid-e-Azam. Very important. He monitored the work of the rehabilitation of the refugees. He provided them place to live, food, health, and other necessities of life. Again, the main issue of that time is the threat to border. The Indians were always busy in conspiracies to weaken Pakistan. They wanted Pakistan to become the part of the United India once again. In 1951, the Indian forces gathered at the border of Pakistan. There was unrest and uncertainty in the country. He toured the whole country to raise the morale of the people. He made the nation aware of the coming threats. He raised his fist in his speeches as the sign of strength which encouraged the nation. Real spokesman of Pakistan, he was the real spokesman of the nation of the death of Qaid-e-Azam. He faced every challenge and led the nation on its front. He was well aware of the conspiracies of the Hindus against the Pakistan. He established relations with the superpowers and also made relations with the Islamic countries in order to overcome that problems. He was a selfless leader who worked only for the profit of the country without any personal interest. A very much important step which is taken by the Prime Minister of Pakistan at the initial stage when Pakistan was came into being. Liaquat Ali Khan understood the meaning of the ideology of Pakistan very well. He knew that the country was created on Islamic ideology, which is the main purpose for the creation of Pakistan. So he presented objective resolution in the assembly in 1949. Student, we have discussed in the previous topic objective resolution 1949. We already discussed its prime importance for the future constitution and got it passed with a unanimous decision. Then he constituted a basic principle committee to frame the new constitution. So please underline what was the main purpose of the basic principle committee, why it was constituted. There was an effort to make the foundation of Pakistan strong with Islamic ideology, because Islamic ideology is the main purpose for the creation of Pakistan. Thereafter, this objective resolution is in the preamble of every constitution. Now, students, as you know, when Pakistan came into being, there was no administrative system in Pakistan. The Hindu official had gone to India after partition. They had destroyed the official record and equipment. There was no building and furniture in government offices. It was very difficult to run the affairs of the government. Liaquat Ali Khan was gifted with amazing qualities of administration. He tried to overcome their problems. He gave valuable suggestions and helped Qaid-e-Azam to establish an effective administrative system in the Pakistan. And when we will move towards the development of industry, as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan did a lot of work for the progress and prosperity of industry in the country. He persuaded people to use Pakistani products, which is very important. He imported machinery from Japan for the development of textile industry. Textile was the main hub at that time. He also set up Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation. Very, very important MCQ for the progress of the industry in that time. Now students, we will do the quick recap of today's lesson. We have done who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. As you will see at the slide, he was born in 1895 and he was remained lasted in 1951. Sadr Rashid, who was Chief Justice of that time, he took the oath from Liaquat Ali Khan as well as Quaid-e-Azam. Liaquat Ali Khan by profession was a lawyer. He belonged to the city of Karnal, which is in India. He rendered the services as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. He took bold steps in order to rehabilitate the refugees, which were in the large number when Pakistan came into being. He took bold steps in order to frame the administrative structure, as well as he improved the foreign policy and improve the economic structure of Pakistan. And in the light, we will discuss the role of Qaid-e-Millat Liaquat Ali Khan after the death of Quaid-e-Azam.